G'day guys. When you talk about taking essential four-wheel drive accessories off-road, this is one that I don't head off-road without, and it is called a snake bite kit. But it's not just good for snakes, it's also good for spiders like funnel webs and even cone shell stings. However, I'm not the expert on all these things, but I have brought one along. It's Craig from SS Safe. How are you, mate?
G'day, Pat. I'm good, thanks.
Good stuff. Now, mate, this kit, it does have some secret sauce in it, and one main thing in particular. What is it? Well,
the thing that kit's built around is the smart bandage. That's the thing that really separates it from everything else.
And what does that smart bandage do?
If you get bitten by a snake, the recommendation is you need to make a bandage as firm as a sprained ankle. But what people find out is as firm as a sprained ankle is a lot more difficult to achieve than most people think, particularly with conventional bandages. So the smart bandage helps bridge that gap for you and make it easy. Now what's beautiful about these kits is you've got everything you need to treat a snake bite. They don't expire, you can put them behind your seat. And if there is a snake bite, when you open it up, you're going to expect to find everything you need to treat a snake bite, which is not always the case with your general first aid kit. Yeah, so we've provided you with a pictogram. Basically, all you need to do is take the rectangle, tension to form square, and that's going to put you in the ballpark of where you need to be. So I'm just going to start a little bit easier to get it going, but once I get to the wrist, I'm going to start to tension out those squares, and I'm going to roll it on. It's a powerful bandage, so you don't really need to overlap it too much. So around about 5 millimeters is where I'm going to overlap, or the fine print here. I'm just going to catch that up.
On the road, four-wheel drivers, we make sure that we've got our tyre puncture kits, our spare tyres, our sat phones. But in my eyes, this kit is really above all of those in terms of essential kit for the road. Make sure you've got it in your four-wheel drive. They don't run out of date. You can store them in your vehicle for a decade and they'll still be there. But when you need them, it could save a life.